Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of online chess and use the chess.com app on your phone, in this tutorial that will show you how to easily compare your stats with another user, whether you're checking your progress against a friend or just curious about someone else's rankings. First, open the chess.com app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the More button. Then, from the menu, tap on Stats. This is where you can view detailed statistics about your games. After that, look at the top right corner and tap on Compare. This feature allows you to search and compare with any other user on the platform. Now, enter the username of the person you want to compare with. As you type, matching usernames will appear. Select the correct user from the list. Finally, once the user is selected, the app will display a side-by-side comparison. You'll be able to see differences in ratings by game type, and more. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can now compare your chess stats with any user on chess.com using your Android phone. Thanks for watching.